After logging in, look for the for pension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices, 0.5. Bitter melon offers significant health benefits, most notably its ability to naturally lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Also known as bitter gourd or Karela, this nutrient-dense fruit is packed with essential vitamins, fiber, and disease-fighting antioxidants. Key health benefits regulates blood sugar. Bitter melon contains active compounds like charantin, lysine, and polypeptide P, which act similarly to insulin. These substances help transport glucose out of the bloodstream and into your cells for energy. Rich in essential nutrients, a single serving provides a massive dose of vitamin C for immune defense and vitamin A for clear vision and skin health. It also delivers critical minerals including potassium, iron, and zinc. Fights oxidative stress. It is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as catechin, gallic acid, and epicatechin. These compounds defend your cells against damage, slowing aging and reducing the risk of chronic illnesses. Aids weight management. Because it is exceptionally low in calories yet high in fiber, bitter melon keeps you feeling full longer. Clinical trials suggest its extracts can actively help reduce body fat and waist circumference. Lowers cholesterol. Research indicates that bitter melon can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Keeping cholesterol in check minimizes your risk of heart attacks, heart disease, and stroke. Supports digestive health. The natural fiber content stimulates healthy bowel movements to eliminate constipation. Traditional practices also use it to treat intestinal worms and support liver detoxification. Important safety considerations. While bitter melon is highly beneficial, its ability to alter blood sugar means it can interact with prescribed diabetes medications and cause hypoglycemia, dangerously low blood sugar. Additionally, pregnant individuals should avoid high doses or supplements, as certain compounds are linked to a risk of miscarriage. Are you hoping to address a specific health concern like blood sugar or weight loss? Or are you looking for easy ways to cook it to cut down on the bitter taste? Bitter melon is high in vitamin C and other nutrients. It also contains compounds that may have health benefits. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Momordica charania, is a tropical vine that belongs to the gourd family and is closely related to zucchini, squash, pumpkin, and cucumber. It's cultivated around the world for its edible fruit, which is considered a staple in many types of Asian cuisine. The Chinese variety is typically long, pale green, and covered with wart-like bumps. The Indian variety is narrower and has pointed ends with rough, jagged spikes on the rind. In addition to its sharp flavor and distinct appearance, bitter melon has been associated with several health benefits. 1. Packs several important nutrients. Bitter melon is a great source of several key nutrients. 100 grams of raw bitter melon provides trusted source. Calories: 21 carbs, 4 grams fiber, 2 grams vitamin C, 99% of the
Jus ini ada parenya loh. Iya, pare bantu stabil gula darah dan kolesterol, bikin jantung dan pencernaan makin sehat. Coba pakai campuran buah ini buat kurangin rasa pahitnya. Sebelumnya kalian aku JJ, seorang istri yang pikir sebagai dokter dan lagi suka ngonten. Pare dikenal pahit, tapi sayang banget kalau nggak makan sama sekali karena kandungan gizi pare itu luar biasa loh. Pare mengandung karantin, visin, dan polipeptida P, senyawa aktif yang membantu menurunkan kadar gula darah dengan meningkatkan produksi insulin. Beberapa studi menunjukkan pare bisa jadi terapi alami buat penderita diabetes tipe 2. Pare juga mengandung flavonoid, saponin, dan niacin yang bikin kolesterol lebih stabil dengan mengurangi kadar kolesterol jahat LDL dan meningkatkan kolesterol baik HDL. Belum lagi vitamin C, antioksidan yang meningkatkan daya tahan tubuh lawan radikal bebas. Selain buat menghilangkan rasa pahit pada pare, nambah nanas nambah banyak manfaat. Nanas kaya akan enzim bromelain yang mendukung kesehatan jantung dan pencernaan, mengurangi peradangan dan potensi anti kankernya. Belum lagi kandungan vitamin dan antioksidannya. Terus kita tambah jeruk nipis juga biar makin segar dan makin banyak vitamin dan antioksidannya. Dan dengan adanya slow juicer dari Niku di rumah, pare yang tadinya menakutkan malah bisa jadi jus murni tanpa pahit, manisnya alami, dan jadi enak, segar, sampai bisa bikin ketagihan. Gimana gak makin sehat coba? Yang mau trik lengkap buat mengurangi rasa pahit dari pare, bisa komen pare, nanti aku kasih contekan lengkapnya.
Daily value: DV vitamin A, 2% of the DV iron, 4% of the DV. Bitter melon is especially rich in vitamin C, an important micronutrient, involved trusted source in disease prevention, bone formation, and wound healing. It's also high in vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin that promotes skin health and proper vision. Bitter melon is also rich in calcium, potassium, zinc, magnesium, and phosphorus. Bitter melon is a source of catechin, gallic acid, epicatechin, and chlorogenic acid, 2 powerful antioxidant compounds that can help protect your cells against